Welcome to our discussion on Linkvertise. Today, we're diving deep into its purpose in monetizing links. In 2025, many users are facing a frustrating one-hour wait when accessing links through Linkvertise. Let's understand why. So what led to the implementation of the one-hour wait feature? Mainly, Linkvertise aims to enhance its monetization strategies. This wait time can dramatically affect user experience and hinder the efficiency of link sharing. Now, let's explore some potential fixes and workarounds that users have discovered to bypass this one-hour wait. While it can be tough, patience is key when using Linkvertise. After all, good things come to those who wait. Let's hear from actual users. Many have shared their experiences on social media, emphasizing both the frustration and the benefits of Linkvertise. How does Linkvertise stack up against its competitors? We'll conduct a comparative analysis with other link shortening services. What does the future hold for Linkvertise? Potential changes in wait policies could be on the horizon. Let's discuss. In conclusion, we've explored various aspects of the one-hour wait feature. We encourage you to share your feedback and experiences with us.